Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's video, we are going to see bridal sarees, pure Kanchivaram silk sarees in pure zari and also in 1 gram and 2 gram golden zari weaving. Very rich, beautiful sarees in unique and traditional color combinations, perfect for the brides. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are pure Kanchivaram hand-woven silk sarees with double and triple warp weaving. The zari used is pure zari as well as 1 and 2 gram golden zari weaving. As and when I show you the sarees, I will tell you the zari used in each of these sarees. These sarees are pure silk and have to be always dry cleaned for a longer life. Our blouse stitching and embroidery unit is working full-fledged. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. I'm going to randomly pick and show you 30 to 35 sarees today, but we have uploaded 100 plus sarees in tissues, in brocades, in korvai weaving, in silver zaris and much more. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Both our stores will also have similar collection. We are releasing new collection every day at 10:45 a.m. at prashantisarees.in. A small snippet of a video showcasing the collection is also released in our YouTube channel at the same time. To stay on top of our new arrivals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also sign up with our newsletter. The first one for today, it's a lovely peacock blue single color saree with rich bavanji borders on either sides, floral zari woven buttas running throughout the body, with a rich self pallu. That's the pallu. This is a 2 gram golden weaving sari. This has got a brocade blouse in the same color, priced at 18,890. Lime green and pink. Beautiful sari, tissue brocade with lime green tissue woven pattern running throughout the sari, along with gold and silver zari buttas running across the body. This has got a very pretty borders, rich korvai weaving in pink, along with beautiful peacocks intricately woven on both sides of the borders. That's the pallu, tissue pallu in pink. And this has got a pink golden tissue blouse, priced at 26,990. Orange and red pure zari with rich, beautiful lotus borders on both sides of the sari. The body has got a self-embossed pattern of small paisleys running throughout the body with a rich contrast pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in red, priced at 27,090. 2 gram gold zari. It's a beautiful lavender with teal combination, traditionally woven korvai borders and Kanchivaram style on either sides, with rich zari brocade weaving running on top of the entire body. That's the pallu, rich pallu in teal, and this has got a contrast blouse in teal, priced at 24,500. This one is a beautiful pink tissue sari with bavanji borders on either sides, beautiful motifs in pink on top of the golden tissue body running throughout the sari, with a rich pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse with bavanji border in pink, priced at 19,900. A very traditional sari, coffee brown with maroon combination, rich korvai borders and pure zari on either sides, with small zari checked pattern running throughout the sari, along with zari buttas in floral pattern. That's the pallu, traditional Kanchivaram pallu in pure zari, and this has got a contrast plain blouse, priced at 43,550. Pastel pink, a lovely color with rich silver zari woven borders on either sides, all over silver zari brocade weaving running throughout the sari, with a rich self pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a woven blouse in pastel pink, priced at 21,130. Green and pink, a very traditional color combination with rich korvai borders on either sides, selvage in peachish orange on either sides with rich zari woven borders, pure zari on either sides. The body has got beautiful zari buttas in peacocks running throughout the sari with a contrast rich pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in pink, priced at 31,350. Yellow and grey, a very unique color combination with short and long borders in grey on either sides. Beautiful silver zari pattern along the top part with brocade weaving in silver running throughout the body. This has got a long border with beautiful florals and paisleys woven in silver zari towards the bottom part of the sari. That's the pallu, rich pallu in grey. And this has got a plain grey blouse, priced at 23,650. Navy blue and maroon, traditional sari with beautiful Mail Chakram buttas in traditionally woven zari checked pattern across the body. Rich zari woven borders in pure zari with a contrast pallu in maroon. That's the pallu. And this has got a maroon blouse, priced at 32,490. Cream and pink, full tissue sari with short and long traditionally woven Kanchivaram borders on either sides. The body has got cross lines of weaving in tissue running throughout the sari. That's the pallu. And this has got a tissue blouse in pink, priced at 23,890. Teal, full brocade in silver, a very classy sari with bavanji borders on either sides. The body has got small zari checked pattern with Mail Chakram buttas in between the checks, and towards the bottom part of the border this has got beautiful peacock motifs running along the border. That's the pallu, rich self pallu, and this has got a plain blouse in teal, priced at 26,400. Peacock blue and magenta, one more pretty sari with short and long borders on either sides in very pretty floral pattern in antique gold and zari. The middle portion of the sari has got all over zari brocade weaving in antique gold with a contrast pallu. This is a 2-gram golden zari weaving, and this has got a plain blouse in magenta, priced at 26,400. Lime green and bottle green, bright and beautiful color with rich bavanji borders and korvai weaving on either sides. The body has got self-embossed pattern, floral pattern running throughout the sari with a contrast pallu in dark green. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain bottle green blouse, priced at 20,790. Peachish pink, a stunning sari with rich borders in 2-gram golden zari weaving running on both sides of the sari. The body has got small checked pattern along with square buttas and floral rudrakshams running throughout the body. Very, very rich and classy. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in peachish pink, priced at 23,200. A gorgeous and unique color combination. It's a pastel blue with rani pink, korvai weaving with bavanji borders on either sides. The entire body is in pastel blue with tree of life motifs woven in antique gold and zari running throughout the body. That's the pallu, contrast rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a brocade blouse in rani pink, priced at 22,250. Deep magenta, single color with bavanji borders on either sides, 2-gram golden zari weaving with cross weaves of all overs and buttas alternating throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in deep magenta, priced at 18,890. Yellow and pink, traditional color combination with selvage in green on either sides. The body has got small zari checked pattern along with buttas in between the checks. That's the pallu, contrast rich zari woven pallu. And this has got a tissue blouse in pink, priced at 20,050. Maroon, traditional sari with pure zari weaving, bavanji borders along with elephants and paisleys woven in pure zari on either sides of the border. The body has got Zari checked pattern with mild chakram buttas traditionally woven throughout the body. That's the pallu, contrast pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in maroon, priced at 38,990. Yellow, orange and pink, a lovely sari suitable for tall women. Kurvai borders on either sides with bold buttas on both sides of the borders. The middle portion of the sari has got zari brocade weaving in yellow orange with a contrast pallu. That's the pallu. 1 gram golden zari weaving. And this has got a plain blouse in tomato pink, priced at 21,090. Green and purple, a lovely sari with yaris woven on both sides of the borders in purple. The body has got vertical self-embossed pattern. This is a pure zari weaving with a contrast rich pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in purple, priced at 29,190. One more in pure zari, orange with purple, beautiful sari with thread and zari woven pattern along the top part of the border. The body has got self-embossed buttas running throughout the sari with beautiful paisleys woven towards the bottom part of the border. That's the pallu, rich zari woven pallu in purple. And this has got a purple blouse, priced at 27,390. Green and pink tissue sari with 2 gram golden zari weaving, rich korvai borders, short and long, traditionally woven in Kanchipuram style, with green tissue and pink thread and zari woven buttas, brocade weaving running throughout the body. That's the pallu, rich pallu in pink. And this has got a contrast plain blouse in pink, priced at 24,250. Single color, hot pink, a stunning color with rich Kanchivaram borders on either sides, all over zari brocade weaving in 2 gram golden zari running throughout the body with a rich self pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a hot pink plain blouse, priced at 17,150. Green and violet, a very unique color combination with bavanji borders, pure gold zari weaving, zari checked pattern with mild chakram buttas alternating in between the checks. That's the pallu, contrast pallu in violet. And this has got a plain violet blouse, priced at 31,650. Beige and magenta, full tissue sari with rich Kanchivaram borders in korvai weaving on either sides. This is a 2 gram golden zari weaving, beautiful floral tissue weaving running throughout the body with a contrast rich pallu in magenta. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain magenta blouse, priced at 22,890. Peacock blue and purple, one more beautiful sari, pure zari weaving with rich Kanchipuram borders on either sides, mild chakram buttas alternating throughout the body with a rich pallu in purple. That's the pallu. And this has got a plain purple blouse, priced at 33,890. Candy pink, bright and beautiful color with selvage in green on either sides, lotus with bavanji borders on both sides of the sari, with the body having beautiful mild chakram zari checked brocade weaving running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, rich self pallu. And this has got a plain blouse in candy pink, priced at 17,150. Antique gold with deep magenta, one more pretty sari with beautiful weaving of peacocks, intricately woven on both sides of the borders in korvai style. The body has got floral antique golden zari weaving running throughout the body in brocade pattern with a rich pallu. That's the pallu. This is a 2 gram golden zari sari. This has got a contrast blouse in magenta, priced at 28,800. The last one for today, bright and beautiful color combination in traditional korvai weaving, yellow with pink, rich zari woven borders in Kanchivaram style on either sides, with the body having small self-embossed buttas. That's the pallu, contrast pallu in pink, and this has got a plain pink blouse. Priced at 20,790. All these sarees are available in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that's given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.